Today I'm going to demonstrate how to make a French rose cocktail. Now your French rose cocktail is going to consist of gin, cherry liqueur, and we're going to top that off with champagne. So we're going to start by building with your ice into your 16-ounce beer glass, just like so. And then we're going to use equal parts of cherry liqueur. We're using maraschino, but whatever cherry liqueur you have, and dry gin, any preference that you prefer, such as Bombay Sapphire or Tanqueray, feel free. We're just using well gin at the moment. So you're going to do equal parts, or basically an ounce to an ounce, or 4 counts. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's going to give us our desired amount. And then we're going to top it off with some champagne, just like so. And then we're going to get our glassware ready. Mix and shake our ingredients. And then strain directly into our martini glass. Now this is the perfect drink to garnish with a cherry. And of course, a stir stick. There's your French rose, a drink you'll undoubtedly enjoy.